Yeah, welcome back. Football news at Garvey, Maceo High and Cornwall College were crowned the ISSA Rural Area Under 14 and Under 16 champions respectively following Thursday's finals at Stets. Keon Brainer reports.
When Garvey, Maceo and William Knibb High met in the quarter-final round, the two failed to break down each other as they ended in a 0-0 draw. But in the final, something had to give with the championship trophy up for grabs. As to which way it would go, the hint came in the 6th minute, Kerry Clark giving Garvey Maceo the early lead. But William Knibb weren't going down without a fight and were back in it through Kevin Ogilvie in the 36th minute. And they were in front in the 49th minute thanks to Junior Gray, who made it 2-1. However, Marshall March ended the Trelawney-based school celebration in the 55th minute to make it 2-2. And when Aldina Vernon scored in the 61st minute to make it 3-2, it meant Garvey Maceo were on their way to the crown. O'Keefe Titus ensured there was no coming back for William Knibb as he killed off the game in the 66th minute for 4-2, as Garvey Maceo were crowned ISSA Rural Area Under 14 champions.
We are elated. The boys work all season to achieve this objective, and today they came out after taking the lead and then going down 2-1. They fought right through the final set of minutes of the game, and we are victorious, and we couldn't ask for much from these boys today.
I felt we played well. I'm not going to say deserve, because you get what you take in football, not what you deserve. And when we went behind after that, I think we were the dominant team. We possessed it better. We rightfully went ahead, and the game unraveled in 8 minutes. 8 minutes of miscalculation, bad decisions, but they're young and they're learning.
In the feature match of the doubleheader, Cornwall College went into the Under 16 decider as the favourites, and they duly took the title back to the second city after a 4-1 win over Glenmuir High. The red and gold standard bearers wasted little time in making their intentions clear as Corlando Morris had them up 2-0 after 32 minutes. Not even a 30-minute stoppage caused by a downpour of rain couldn't stop Cornwall's march to the trophy. As upon the resumption, Mackie Foster made it 3-0 to put Glenmuir out of the game. And it was all over when Jared Sargent made it 4-0 with 10 minutes to play. Glenmuir got something to cushion their ride back home when Keneal Douglas handed them a consolation goal in time added on. But it was Cornwall College who took the spoils by lifting the trophy.
These boys, they dropped out at quarter-final last year. Disappointed season last year, but this year was a better season. Most of these boys played the ISSA Cup, coming down to the Under 16. They wanted it, and they come out and they gave it them all.
It's sad to lose a final, but nevertheless we are proud of the boys for making it to the final. Most of these boys are first year Under 16, so yeah, it's a proud moment, but yeah, it's a bittersweet moment. Sad to not bring home the trophy to Clarendon, but nevertheless we're still proud of them.
The All-Ireland finals will take place next Wednesday when Jamaica College take on Garvey Maceo in the Under 14 final, while Cornwall College take on JC in the Under 16 final. Keon Brainer reporting for TVJ Sports.